Today we're going to take a look at the brand new EndeavourOS Titan release. If you like the power and flexibility of Arch Linux but prefer an easier setup process, EndeavourOS has become one of the most popular ways to experience Arch without doing a fully manual installation. EndeavourOS is still a rolling release distribution. That means if you already use EndeavourOS and keep your system updated, you already have most of the latest packages. Titan is mainly a new installation image. It refreshes the installer and core components, so new users start with a modern and stable system right from the first boot. One of the biggest updates in this release is the Linux kernel. The Titan ISO ships with Linux kernel 6.1.9. A newer kernel means better hardware compatibility, improved drivers, and better performance for modern CPUs and GPUs. If you are installing EndeavourOS on newer laptops or desktop hardware, this updated kernel helps ensure things work properly without additional tweaks. Alongside the kernel update, the graphics stack has also been refreshed. Titan includes newer Mesa graphics drivers and updated Xorg components. These improvements help systems with AMD and Intel graphics run more smoothly and provide better compatibility with modern applications, games, and desktop environments. Another improvement in this release is better hardware detection during installation. The installer can now detect graphics hardware more reliably and configure the correct drivers more effectively. For many users, this means fewer issues after installation and a smoother first boot experience. The Calamares installer has also received refinements. In the Titan release, several adjustments improve reliability and reduce some issues users experienced in previous installer images. The goal is to make installation more stable and predictable. Mirror management has also been improved. When EndeavourOS downloads packages, it uses mirrors around the world. The Titan release improves the mirror ranking system so the installer can select faster and more reliable mirrors automatically. This helps speed up both installation and future system updates. Another small but useful improvement involves situations where internet access is limited during installation. Even if the installer cannot reach mirrors at first, the system can later generate a better mirror list once the network connection is available. This helps ensure the system stays efficient and easy to update. Just like previous releases, EndeavourOS Titan stays very close to Arch Linux. It keeps the system clean and lightweight while adding a convenient graphical installer and a few helpful tools. You still get the power of Arch with the Pacman Package Manager, access to the Arch user repository through tools like Yay, and a system that is easy to customize. During installation, you can choose from several desktop environments. Options include KDE Plasma, GNOME, Xfce, Cinnamon, Budgie, Mate, and also lightweight window managers for users who prefer minimal setups. This flexibility allows you to build the system exactly the way you want. Overall, the Titan release focuses on improving the installation experience. With a newer kernel, updated graphics drivers, better hardware detection, and improved mirror handling, new installations begin with a faster and more reliable foundation. EndeavourOS continues to be one of the best options for people who want the Arch Linux experience with a much easier starting point. It keeps things simple, fast, and very close to upstream Arch, while still providing the convenience many users appreciate. And that's a look at the EndeavourOS Titan release. If you enjoy exploring modern Linux distributions and want the power of Arch without the complexity of manual installation, EndeavourOS remains an excellent choice.